Today I'm going to be reviewing Piluyaa's Sleep Earbuds Bluetooth. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is what they look like. It's an interesting way to put it into your ear. It's very strange. It sounds okay. It's not the best sound, but it's not horrible. It doesn't have a lot of bass, but this is what it looks like in the case. It can charge in the case. You also get the charger. You get a little USB-C to USB-A charger. I will say that it connected to my phone pretty easily. Just turned them on and then searched for it. I mean, these are inexpensive. You know, a lot of people talk about the fit in their ears. Some people find it not very comfortable, kind of weird, but it has this little indent, which is your button to turn things on and off. It does okay. It only gets a 3.6 stars. I like to see at least 4.4, and I think the fit, the way this is fitting into people's ears, is why they're not liking it. It did sell 300 plus of these last month. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.